There it is right there. Sorry, there it is right there. We're missing over. We're too far. See it? See it?
Yes.
Now you're gonna watch it take it all the way. Pretty cool, huh? Now what'll happen is you'll see it release its first stage in a while, but it's gonna be a while. Now you're gonna start hearing it. SpaceX Atlas rocket. There you go. Look at it. Pretty cool. Look, and now you can hear it. Hear it?
Oh, there you go. I thought I lost it.
There you go. Now you're going to see it like sort of ignite, and that's where it's going to drop off the boosters. Then the boosters will actually drop, but they'll reignite, and you'll hear. See, you hear the rocket now? No, you hear it. That's how far away it is on 15 miles.
Oh, wow.
So now you're hearing, that's what you'd hear if you were right next to it on the launch pad. You'd be hearing it going. And you're just starting to get the sound. So see, sight travels faster than sound. You get it up there because you're going to see it. You might be able to keep it. You see it on there, right?
No, I don't.
Okay, see it over there? Way up there. See it?
I don't see it.
Try to get it in the clouds. You can see a little white thing in the clouds. Try to find it.
I see it, but
okay.
it's really hard to see with the camera.
Well, just keep it on there because the boosters are going to drop, and we might be able to see them. You're going to hear this giant sonic boom, I think, because even though they're landing out 30 miles, we might still hear it. See, the boosters reignite and they land. Let's see if we can see that. When they did it here, you can see them do it right on the Cape, but I don't know if we'll be able to see it because it's so far out.
I understand. I'll just keep the camera far away so at least it'll show, maybe.
Got it. Good idea. You can see the plume of smoke there. You see, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's see if I can see those boosters reignite. I don't think we're gonna because it's too far out. Look at this guy, got a drone above us. See him?
I'm gonna try to get a picture. I'm gonna try to get a video of that. Did I get it? Oh yeah, I got it. Okay.
I think it takes about, I think it was 17 minutes from the time of until it actually would land. I mean, till the boosters would land.
So it might take a while.
Yeah.